everybody. So today's Monday and that means video editing day. This next little video, it's only short and it's a thank you to FixTech, which is an Australian company that make and supply bonding products, particularly to the marine industry, but to others as well. Please consider this video as an extra to the normal weekly videos. Some people may not like to watch when people give thanks to companies who are supporting or assisting people doing different things. And if you don't like watching that sort of thing, feel free to switch the off button now. However, I wanted to voluntarily say thanks to Troy at FixTech and to the company FixTech for helping me out. That's all it is. And full disclosure, there was no expectation or request from FixTech for me to do this. This is purely because I wanted to. And I wanted to because what a nice thing for somebody and for a company to do, to help out one man trying to build his dreams and with no expectation from them. So once again, thanks Troy and thanks FixTech, much appreciated. Hi everybody. So I have a little story to tell here, one that is quite exciting for me. The short story is I decided to reach out to one of the companies whose products I've been using with Mistress, and I was so surprised that they got back to me very, very promptly and were very, very friendly and very, very keen and supportive just of providing a little bit of support for the project and what I'm doing here with Mistress. So a very big thank you shout out to Troy and to FixTech. People would have heard me speaking about the FixTech 15 product in a number of videos. Also, very graciously, there was no request for anything in return in the form of advertising or otherwise. So this parcel here was sent to me last Friday and I'm not exactly sure what is in it, but let's open it and find out. Troy had mentioned something about my old/ancient tube gun. This is a proper one, my goodness. Yeah, that's nice. Well, well, that is going to keep me going. That's going to be used a lot in the bulkhead installation. Thanks very much. Oh, well, well. Nice. I'll be able to replace my aging Cooper's cap. That looks a lot better, right? Fix 200, a brochure with no doubt some good information. White filler, I'm not sure what that's for actually, so I'll be very interested to read about that. So I really do want to say a sincere thank you to Troy and the FixTech crew. I didn't expect anything when contacting them and this really will help. It's great to get some support, especially from a global company like FixTech. So all I can do is repeat my thanks. Thank you very much. Much appreciated.